Serious ba? OG na nga ako dyan. Napapagod na nga rin ako. Alam mo yun, ngayon nauuso na yung mga pag-video nyo. Girls, nauna ako dyan. Kaya pag meron kayong gusto, i-consult nyo na lang. Alam ko na kung ano Actually, alam mo, may reason kung bakit na parang, kasi may mga regrets din ako pagdating dyan. Pero alam mo, inano ko talaga, sinabi ko sa sarili ko, no, God has a purpose because I learned. And when someone approaches me and they're like, Mona, should I do this? Should I do that? I was like, if I think they don't really need to do it, no. No, girl, wag talaga. You'll regret it. Sige ka. So ako talaga, yung pala yung reason. Gusto ko i-reinvent palagi din yung sarili ko. Kasi nga, I'm very spontaneous. That's why I always tell them, you have to really think it through. Okay? Wag ka magtutulad sa akin na talagang very, tigas na for me, kasi nag-guide sa akin. I can go back to that time when I didn't touch anything. I would go back there.